Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week this past week as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold in for the upcoming week. And as usual, I'll starting off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry. As you can see from the weekly chart, that price has been forming this triangular pattern. Okay, and when price last week, when after price made this candlestick pattern, I was expecting for price to continue all the way to the top of the triangular pattern, which price did exactly, and has broken above it as well and got into this resistance level. Now the question is, price is currently at resistance. Is price going to break this resistance level and continue upwards, or is it going to reverse and come all the way down? That is the big question. And again, in this coming week, anything can happen. Forex is a game of probabilities. Price can either go down or go up, but it's how smart, it's how you take your trades, that matters. If and with you waiting for either a buy or a sell signal. All right. And but generally looking at the chart for me, my bias is generally bullish, and I'm expecting for price to continue to the upside. But the question is, since I have this sort of bias in my mind at the moment for price to go to the upside, how do I take my entry? Because for this last week, I was able to capitalize on this up move and I've exited my trades. So I didn't carry any trades over the weekend. And now I'll be looking to take more trades. If you're already in this buy and you're still in it, you can always move your stops and then look for more buy opportunities. If you're not in this buy, then I'll show you how you can possibly take more buy opportunities. If we go down to the daily time frame, as you can see, Friday price went up strongly, breaking this initial resistance level. Some people thought price was going to bounce off this level to the downside, but of course, if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that we've been bullish right from this support level down here. So now price has broken this trend, this upwards trend line, or downwards trend line rather, and has got into this resistance level. So two things can happen here. Price can either come all the way back down, either to test it just slightly and then break this to the upside, and then continue its up move with the retest and continue upwards like that, and then we can capitalize on that up move all the way to the 1910 level. That's one possibility of what can happen. Price may not even come down here. Price may just as well, the next daily candle can end up coming up and closing above this level here, and then maybe a slight retest and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so for me, on Monday I probably wouldn't trade gold at all. I would wait for the Monday candle to close, and if the Monday candle closes strongly upwards, for example, if it just moves up this way, okay, and closes up that way, then I'll be able to take my trade here, with my entry somewhere around here, my stop loss just below that candle, and then wait for price to get to this 1910 level. Otherwise, if price on Monday gives us a bearish candle and maybe closes below here, I wouldn't take the sell trade at all. I'll wait for price to give me a bullish signal before buying the trade at all. And I won't even buy below this resistance level. I will only buy if price has broken this resistance level around the 1865 level. So once this candlestick breaks, or once this resistance level breaks, then I'll be looking for my buy. If it doesn't break, I'm not buying this trade at all. If until maybe even if price gets down to this level here, then I may end up looking for a buy opportunities. But like I said, I'm generally bullish on gold, and I'll be looking for only buy opportunities for the upcoming week. And so even if there is a retracement down to this level here, then I'll look for my buy opportunities down here and then take it up here and then look for more buy opportunities when price breaks this level. But I won't be selling gold for the time being. And if we look at the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry, So what we'll be looking for now is to see how price react this level. As you can see from last week, this is what I was expecting to happen, and that's why I took my trade once price broke above this area. A lot of people were, caught up with the noise of gold. Some people buying, selling, and because I trade uh, uh, using the longer term time frame, I wasn't caught up with that short term swings in the market. I only just took my buy entry and waited for price to get to my target level, which it did. So in the upcoming week now, as price has broken this strongly, what we'll be looking out for is a break of this resistance level, like I mentioned earlier. And once we're able to get a break of this resistance level, then we'll be looking to take our trade. Normally, I wait for a retest. Sometimes it could just be like a week that will come down to touch this area. I could touch here, or it could come all the way down here. Then I take my buy opportunities to the upside when I see a buy signal. But if, like I said, on Monday, there may just be a slight retracement from here. Okay, and if you have that slight retracement on Monday from this level down, I wouldn't sell it. I'll just wait for price to give me a buy signal, and it could be all the way down to this level as well. So you have to be careful. And if price comes down here and gives us a buy signal, or just at this level and gives us a buy signal, then I won't even take it until price has broken this level. Then I will look for my buys, then continue all the way to the top. So the general advice for gold is a bullish bias, a buy, and my buy would only be when price has broken this resistance level. So that's what I will be looking at, and that's what I would suggest as well. Anything below this resistance level here, I wouldn't be trading that. So this has been my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. I am generally bullish on gold. I hope this video has been very helpful to you. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis video. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you all the best this coming week. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget